Hello everyone, it's June and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be an exciting video because not only are you going to hang out with me while I massage my scalp and put the neem oil in my hair, and we're just going to talk and about things. Not only that, but today, if you're watching this on Cyber Monday, yes, you guys are in for a treat, because if you guys wanted to buy the No Track Frontals, which I wear in my hair, and I'll show you that in a moment if you're new here, you are going to get free shipping plus, well, free shipping for domestic, that's anyone who lives in the United States, and if you're international, you will be paying domestic shipping charges, which is more than half. And if you are domestic, not only will you be getting free shipping, but you will receive my favorite lip liner in the world. Yes, you will. So I'm excited for you. So if you want to purchase these, let me just show you these right now. For those of you who are new here, if you're not new here, you've seen this so many times before. These are No Track Frontals, and I love them because you cannot, there's no track here, so you cannot tell, like they're like magic pieces, and they cover up so much of your hair, and I love them. And yeah, these are them. This is an old piece, but this is my piece. This is my favorite piece, and they come in so many colors. So if you want, please email me down below. See, my email's right here. Email me and request a color chart and a price list. Yes, and get your colors on. Get your colors on. Love it all. Okay, also, you're in for another treat. I did a Moringa oil giveaway. If you see your name during this video, down here, it will say congrats, and it will have your name. If you see your name anytime during this video, you have to email me. Oh, my email's right here again. Email me and claim your prize. You have 24 hours to claim your prize. So let's get on with this video, because you came here for a hair growth update and just some good old talking while I massage my head and neem it, okay? So let me take my glasses off. Maybe I could just, I'm gonna turn my mirror. Hold up. Okay, so you guys know that I love to massage my hair. I think it's so important to massage your head when you are doing a hair growth challenge. I really do. This gets the blood going. Without the blood circulation going, it's not going to work. And if it does work, it's not going to work as good. So I think that you guys need a scalp brush like this. This is also good when you shampoo your hair, to scrub your head while you're shampooing and conditioning your hair. This is amazing. Oh, it feels so good. And it's not harsh at all. I will have the links to everything down below if you want to get it. But anyway, I noticed that my hair grew. It did grow. It did get thicker. However, I don't think it changed in the past 2 weeks. It could have. My friend Yvette said that my hair got so much thicker, but I see it as the same, and it could be because my grays are coming in. So I am going to need to dye my hair soon. But yeah, so this feels so good. Anyway, let's talk about my Thanksgiving. My Thanksgiving was so nice. I went to New Jersey to see my brother and my sister-in-law and his family, and it was very nice. I mean, the traffic there sucked, I have to tell you. Ooh, don't forget back here. The traffic there was like 2.5 hours. It's like a 40-minute drive, but it was, oh, this feels so good. It was about 2.5 hours. Coming home, we got home in less than 40 minutes, so it was perfect getting home. Yeah, so the holidays are approaching. I cannot even believe how fast the holidays are here. I honestly feel like summer was just here. Like I was in Pennsylvania in the pool, and now Christmas is here. It's just like, it's crazy how time is going by so fast. Yeah, I'm still bummed about my live streams. If you guys want to see me and catch me on live, I will have the link down below where you can subscribe to my other channel, and that's it. Subscribe over there and be notified, press the bell notification, and anytime I go live, then just be live with me. We just talk about anything and everything. It's a really cool bunch of people that are always always the same in the lives, and we get a few newbies here and there. It's just nice. It's like therapy. It feels good to talk to you all, I have to say. If some of you don't know, I've been banned on this channel until February on going live, so that kind of bummed me out because I was it's ridiculous, really, it's ridiculous. But yeah, I was bummed out. I really was. I was bummed out. Oh, by the way, I cut my own hair the other day. I needed a cut, and it was such bad weather the day I was supposed to go to the lady who does my hair. Such bad weather, and I would have to go to Staten Island. It's just too much. Actually, yeah, it was the beginning of last week. And I just researched on how to layer my hair and just cut off the dead ends, and I did it. I don't even know who, I just researched. I don't know where well, actually, maybe I can find it and put the link. I'm not recommending anybody do this because I don't want anybody calling me up and saying, my hair is ruined, my hair is ruined, because you know what? You don't want your hair to be ruined, but it was such an easy process, and I cut off all the dead ends, and my hair is layered, and my hair just seems more alive. The curls are so much curlier. It just feels so much better. So I think I'm gonna do it from now on. And yeah, I'm gonna do it. You guys have to invest in a brush like this. They really are amazing. There's so many of them on Amazon. You can find them. Some of them have handles, but I like it because it goes in the palm of your hand, and you can just do that. Look, you don't have to brush it. You just, that's it. It doesn't irritate your scalp, and if you feel like your scalp is a little sensitive, then don't go too hard. But as long as you're making movement on your scalp, you're creating blood flow, which is what you want. Because without the blood flow, then your follicles just get clogged up, no blood circulation, and there's nothing, you can't really grow anything. You know what I'm saying? Do you know what I'm saying? And also, don't forget this. The exercise that helps with hair growth. I don't know if you guys have seen this, but I will put up over here. Is it over here? Yeah, over here or over here. I keep forgetting. I think it's over here. You'll see a little card come out. You can click that, and I show you different techniques to help with your hair growth. And it's awesome because you can just sit here and just do it. You could be talking to your friends on the phone. You could be watching my YouTube videos and just doing this. You could watch TV. Hell, you could be in traffic. And you can grow your hair in traffic. I know, it's weird, right? Grow your hair in traffic. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, so I think it's about time I put the neem on. I think I got my scalp going, and I put my neem in an applicator bottle because it's just easier for me, and I use my fingers. I'm going to wash my fingers and I will be back, okay? I am back, and here we go. Okay, so what I do is I don't take too much, but I put them on the tips of my fingers like so, like that. You see that? You see that? And I don't take a lot. I don't want to soak. This don't even bother me anymore, guys. And I like to do this. Some people put it directly on their scalp, which is okay. That's fine. You could do it like this too. You get more of it on your scalp. You do not have to leave this in overnight. You just have to leave it in for like 2 hours. And just rub it in. Look at that. See? I'm telling you, this made my hair grow so much. Like, it made it thicker. My hairline, you guys know, my hairline is so much better. Like, you can actually see a hairline. So that's what we're doing today. It does have a scent, but seriously, it does not bother me anymore. When I first did it, I was like, I don't even know if I can do this. I was putting lavender oil in and other oils, but it really doesn't bother me. I used to think it smelled like rancid peanuts, and it doesn't bother me so much. So what'd you guys do for Thanksgiving? Did you eat a lot? I really didn't. I usually starve myself the whole day on Thanksgiving, and then when the Thanksgiving meal comes out, you think that you're eating so much, and I only had a couple of bites of each thing, which is good anyway, because, you know, I'm diabetic now, so I can't have the sweet potatoes, the cranberries, mashed potato, like all that, but I did. I had very little of each thing, and I was fine. I was fine. I didn't even miss it. I did not miss it. I love Thanksgiving dinner. Oh, I just told my family we should do like a Thanksgiving feast every month, like once a month, even in the summer. I mean, who says you cannot have turkey, corn, stuffing in the summer? You know what I'm saying? Like, you can barbecue in the winter, right? So this is what I do, guys. Don't forget to get the back of your head. You can also do the strands of your hair. I don't like to go that far. I would rather do like coconut oil or castor oil for the strands of my hair. I don't want a chance that everything is going to smell, because sometimes you have to wash your hair twice. You have to wash it really good to get the oil out. So luckily I use Dr. Organic's shampoo and conditioner, which has a very like a good smell, like a minty menthol smell, that if this was in my hair still, the menthol would mask that smell, which is really good. Sometimes I feel like I have to do it twice, but who cares? I mean, you know, you're getting all the benefits of the neem oil and the Dr. Organic shampoo and conditioner. So, you know, and that's what we do. This is what we do, guys. Yes. Okay, I think I am done. The neem oil is good because even if you put here, you can still get in your scalp and just start moving it around. You know, move it to the back. Oh, so good. Oh, yes. And that is it. I have my handy dandy cap over here. And I'm done. For the next 2 hours, I will have this cap on. I will clean, I will cook, and then I will wash, shampoo, and that is it. That is my routine. I do this twice, sometimes 3 times a week, but definitely twice a week. You could do it more, you could do it less, whatever suits your schedule, but definitely start doing this. I am hearing amazing things from you guys. I'm getting loads of emails saying how much it works for you. So I hope that you continue on your journey of hair growth. And yeah, so I'll see you guys next week. I'm so excited. I love to grow my hair. And that's it. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Why? Really? Why would I do that? Why would I do that? Bye, guys. Oh, man.